Then this question start off by drawing the functions that were given. Always be helpful. So here we can say that we've got square root function. You'll notice straight away that you've got a coefficient other than +1 in front of x. So I would rewrite that so you can see that you've actually got a reflection in the y-axis. So it's usually this shape, so it will be this shape here. And it's been moved 1 to the right. So it's going to go like this up to 1 here. But what you need to notice is the domain given is going from -infinity to 0. So therefore, when we draw this, the square root function will be coming here. So normally it would end at 1. But in this case, because our domain's been restricted, we can see here that it's going to be here 0. And if you put 0 in here, it's going to give you 1. Okay, so that is a function f. I would label them so that when you're doing the later question, you can just look up and see which graph you're using. Again, we got a parabola for next one, so it's x squared. It's been moved down 4, so -4 here. So if we think about our domain and range, so the domain of f is going to be, or what's stated, -infinity to 0. The domain of g is going to be all real numbers. It's also stated here. The range, so when we're thinking about the range of f, it's now going to be, instead of 0 to infinity as it would be without the restriction, 1 to infinity. And then the range of g is going to be -4 to infinity. And we'll use this table. So first question A here is asking you for the rule. So you know k of x is g of f of x. So g of x is x squared -4. So we want to do g of the square root of 1 minus x. So we're going to replace x with that. So it's going to be square root of 1 minus x all squared. So obviously when you square a square root, it's going to cancel and just leave you with 1 minus x minus 4. Therefore, we can say that k of x is equal to minus x minus 3.